Welcome to uSkinned. In this video, learn how to change the site design style with uSkinned Site Builder. One of the best features of uSkinned is the ability to install and create an unlimited number of theme designs on one site. This offers unrivaled flexibility for rolling out a new global site design in seconds, or to create marketing landing pages with unique branding and design. With both options available, let's learn how to work with each. First, let's focus on changing the global site design. This can be achieved using the content tree on the left-hand side and by locating the global node. From the options on the right-hand side, click to open Content and Settings. At the field Design Style, click to remove the current design. From the slide-out panel, select the correct design. Once in place, click Save and Publish. You will see your newly chosen design in action on the front end of your website. And that's it, you've changed your global site design. But what if you only need to change the site design on an individual page? Well, this can be achieved using the content tree on the left-hand side and navigating to any page. Once on the page, go to the Advanced tab, scroll to Override Design Style and click Add. From the slide-out panel, select the correct design. Once in place, click Save and Publish. Go to the Info tab and click the link to view the page. You will see your newly chosen design in action on the front end of this page only. And that's it. You've added a unique design to this page. But remember, don't stop there. This is just the start of your journey. Check out the next video to learn more about uSkinned.